the date and keep the event pretty down.
But it's 17.
It will work.
Yo,
You have your
Hero.
fan base. You have,
Yes, the one
you have
when
your
they tell
fan base.
Hero about, well, I know, yes, when they tell Hero about the spirituality, I no lie. You see him where, oh, you tell myself to make the date and put on the event, it a go work. Hero tell me that I see it. As me wake up in the morning, me see him and the man say, yo, you see the event, put it on. You are going to make money. I lie me, I tell Hero. All right.
We can ask you something. These information, when you hear them from somebody, or you just ask a question. No disrespect for your work to your work and to what you
like
do.
how me can be so accurate for just start them something like this straight out.
No, because we just want to know how you have all this information about me, because we want to know if you have somebody in a street or you have somebody everywhere about information. And not everybody know all those information that you just released.
Right.
Answer something. What is this?
Alright. Everybody have an intuitive energy. You can read, me can read, she can read, the viewers can read. But it's not everybody tap into it. So we have spiritual energy. I have a spiritual energy and I am gifted to acknowledge, to use it. So it's like it just come naturally. Many a times you did it. Everybody will watch this live. And you with that in your mind till I say, don't deal with that person there. Don't go there so. And when you listen to the vibe work right. And sometimes you don't listen to the vibe and the vibe come to be right. And you say, fuck, I should have listened to the vibe. That same energy me have, but it just more electric. It just tell me more things. So it's like, from me coming at the present of you, me can see your danger and tell you.
So you are not an Obia man, you are a reader man.
Yeah.
I am not an Obia man because Obia man do evil. I'm a spiritual man. In the sense of me, in American people call it psychic. But in Jamaican people call it Obia reading.
Right.
Let me say something to you. There's a big move I say for you. And I bless that it work out. There's going to be an America links with some comedian person from America with big. Where you and them are go link up and do something. Somebody begin at the comedian world. And from there, so the doors are going to open for you. So me see I go international. It can be a post. It can be a video. But there's a good breakthrough coming for you by 2022. And watch him to know boy, I'm going to do music too. God go with you. May I go and left you. Pretty done.
Me nervous as fuck, sir.
Like people ever. If people ever make the show just start up, so if people ever comment, but lad, Alright, but I'll go and leave for them to have on the show now. Everybody good? What the comment them I say? People have said them nervous.
Yo, I do the reading the way you do give a while ago. You talk some sitting, but one of them boy Hero me know for sure. I mean I wonder how you know. Said there is a move coming. Somebody have to tell you that.
No, nobody has tell me. No, man, listen, Hero, and Pretty done. That's what me do for living all these years. But it take time for people to realize.
I think the woman a cheat for me. The woman love me. She wicked to me. Tell me, RT.
You know, if you tell you the truth, all the way you ask, how will you do? Someone have to know for your conscience. No, I'm just saying. So it look like you make your conscience and fuck you.
Hey, RT, nobody read me in that department. That's something good. No one on the phone.
You're gonna lie to nothing, man. You're good. Anyway, big up on yourself. Blessing and more respect. Me I go away because me have things to do. Alright, big up on yourself. I'm gonna let you know.
Boy, I'm going to be furious. I come here, sit there, so me want to ask you what me
Oh, you come off and I sit here. Cut me off.
Me blood clot. Hey, Hero. Me feel say somebody tell RT about the move. There is no way and can just know that, so. Who else you tell Hero? Eh?
If you believe in a dollar, might as well be a slave. If you believe in the red cent, might as well be a red ant.
Brother.
What you say?
Me have one to be my chuck a rare pan the show. Yeah. I mean I say, oh,
Yeah.